Welcome back to Barber and Haskill's Kitchen. My name's Amanda. Today I'm here with Micah. What are we making today?
So today we're going to be doing vegetables 3 ways, and hopefully one of the ways everybody in the house will love, including the kids or adult children like myself.
Yeah, so what we are doing today is we're going to do maple carrots. We are going to do a roasted cauliflower, and then we're also going to do a zucchini that's done up kind of like a mini pizza. So why don't you bring that out of the oven? So these recipes, hopefully you'll find something that the whole family will love out of these. Some of them are a little bit sweet and some are a little bit savory depending on how your taste is. These are looking really good, so let's see how it's done. Much for joining us again on Barber and Haskill's Kitchen. I hope that you enjoyed the recipes today. On the next episode, Micah is going to be eating Valentine's breakfast in bed, so stay tuned.
And as always, if you have any questions about anything we sell in the store, appliances, barbecues, mattresses, or questions about products or recipes or anything, come in and see us anytime.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.